How to fix can't join friends in Minecraft World Bedrock Edition. Hey guys, today I'll show you how you can fix can't join friends in Minecraft World Bedrock Edition. So to get started, first make sure both you and your friend are running the exact same version of the game. If one of you has updated and the other hasn't, you won't be able to connect. Next, ensure both of you are connected to a stable internet connection. If you're using Wi-Fi, try restarting your router or switching to a wired connection for more stability. It's also essential that both players are signed into Xbox Live, even on non-Xbox devices like mobile or PC, and that you've added each other as friends. Without that, you won't see their world under the Friends tab. Now, go to your Microsoft account privacy settings and make sure the join multiplayer games and you can play with people outside of Xbox Live options are enabled. If those are restricted, you'll be blocked from joining others. On top of that, check your NAT type in network settings. It should be open for best multiplayer performance. A moderate or strict NAT can cause major issues when trying to connect with friends. If you're still facing problems, ask your friend to double check that their world is set to multiplayer and not set to invite only or hidden. You can also try restarting Minecraft, signing out and back into Xbox Live, or even reinstalling the game if all else fails. Available, that's it, and thanks. I will catch you all in the next video.